Today we're going to let our hands do the talking. You may know that our hands have a lot of expressive potential, especially for those of you who use your hands quite a lot when talking. I certainly do. You can see that in other videos on here. And we're going to use opposite concepts. So I'm going to use self-care versus rushing around. I'm certainly a rushing woman and need to consciously take time out for my self-care. And I've linked a book for you below, The Rushing Woman Syndrome. It explains how rushing around affects a lot of the systems in our body and what you can do to counter that effect and how to really take care of yourself. And today we're going to explore that in movement and see how the rest of our body will respond to that. So I encourage you to get comfortable, and as I always urge you to please seek medical advice from your trusted medical professional if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. Also putting our thoughts and feelings into movement and letting that move and exploring that may potentially trigger you emotionally. So please stop if that happens and consult with a health care professional, and also think about who you would call or what you would do for your self-care if that happens. And I've got a free reflection tool in the description box below as well that helps you track your body sensations, your thoughts and your feelings. So mapping it out on sort of like a body map to see what comes out for you to improve self-awareness and body awareness, and seeing what it is that you may need to do for yourself as a result of those insights that you may gain. So let's tune into our body. We always start with a couple of deep breaths, and I'm swaying here from side to side, from one foot to the other, shifting our weight gently and just noticing the ground underneath our feet. I'm barefoot, and so just that connection with the ground and feeling supported by the ground, seeing if you feel supported, and let that weight sink into the ground. Let yourself feel supported. It's like taking in a deep breath into our belly through the nose and exhale through the mouth. You may wish to close your eyes again. Make the exhale longer. And exhale. Now I may just encourage you to shift your focus, just your focus on your hand, because this may be quite new to you, just even exploring something kind of improvisational in movement, and just noticing and sensing into your hand, even if that feels unfamiliar to you, just putting your focus on your hand. For me, I can already feel some tingling in my hands as a result of putting that focus. But it's okay if you don't. So just notice how you're feeling, because it's always good to sense into how you're feeling now. Maybe you're feeling nothing at all, and then compare that with where we end up at the end of this exercise. So I'm going to sense into my hands, and this hand is suggesting something gentle. So for me, that is self-care, doing something gentle for myself. So I encourage you to put a gentle quality into that movement in your hand, whatever that means to you. So you don't have to exactly copy what I'm doing. You could copy what we call mirroring the quality of the movement. So whatever that means to you, what you see in that movement. Otherwise, if you're unsure, you can just copy what I'm doing. And then seeing how that hand responds to that. Does that hand want to come along on the self-care journey? Or is it a little bit unsure? Is it a little bit wanting to keep rushing? So at the moment, it feels like it wants to come along. And so just mirroring that gentle quality. Seeing how the rest of our body responds to that. I feel like involving my shoulders, just being very gentle with it. I'm involving my elbows and the rest of my arms. And you can even pretend you're painting a picture. You're painting in the air, just very gently. Maybe you want to go into up and down movements, or maybe you want to use side to side movements. I'm swaying and I'm also using my neck. But only do what feels good for you. Always let your body take the lead. I'm also aware of my core and how it gently supports me through this exercise, how it actually helps initiate those movements. Because when we're aware of our center, our movements are more connected, so connected through the center. Maybe I want to involve my legs, lifting my knees. I can feel my back as well as I'm leaning forward. So today, I feel like staying in this really gentle mode. I wonder if you do too. Or do you feel like switching into something more speedy, more energized? So keep exploring what movement qualities you gel with. Do you gel with this gentle quality, or does your body call for something else? Notice those sensations you're feeling in different parts of your body. So I'm feeling kind of tense in my lower back. So sort of rolling my body, rolling my hips actually helps sort of soothe that. What are you feeling? Any heat, any cold, any tension, any tingling? I'm getting my knees involved now. And I'm sort of letting my arms swing. So this is becoming a little bit more energized, but in a very gentle and tuned in way. So it seems my body wants to just stay with self-care today. How about yours? Remember that free reflection tool to see where those body sensations are, what you thought and felt through this sequence. And that's free for you to download in the description box. Let's sway from side to side. I'm sort of lifting up on one side and then the other, which is also actually very nice to stretch into the sides very gently. And let this come to almost stillness, as I say. You may wish to close your eyes. Just enjoy that rhythm and that swaying. All right, let's take a couple of deep breaths in again. And out through the mouth. I'm still bopping a little bit. And again. And out. Sense in again into the connection with the ground. Do you feel more supported by the ground? Do you feel like you can release your weight into the ground through your feet? And if you had your eyes closed, you may wish to gently open it, reconnect with the space around you, have a look at what's around you. And I thank you so much for joining me, and please leave me any comments and feedback in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.